to today's video. I mean, today, not today. I don't know what time is it, but yeah. But we're gonna play Unwavering Souls.
Finally got a better weapon. Play like mac and cheese.
What are you doing?
Playing World Zero.
Ah.
Whee.
Yes! Fulton! I got Fulton Sands. Fulton Air Sands. Bro, I didn't get Dust Trust. I didn't get Dust Trust, but I got...
Dust Trust.
But I got Dust Trust Sands. But I did got Fulton Air Sands, so I could fight him. What does that mean? Oh, no. Bro, I wasn't ready. I said, bro, stop spamming. What the heck? Help me. Why am I grappled to the air?
You're fatherless.
What is happening? Help me. What the heck, frick? What the frick? Help me. This is the most craziest battle I've ever seen. Why is Fulton Air Sands just spamming? It's not fair. He's spamming.
Oh, because that's how it does.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
Also, my friend just left me.
Okay, bro.
Oh wait, never mind. There he is. He lived.
Okay,
But
first of all,
on fire.
okay, bro, I'm gonna give up.
Literally screaming in chat.
Wait, what?
My friend is literally on fire right now. Emmy, stop. You're fine. Yes, I am dumb.
Bro.
And you cannot.
Dude, okay, how am I gonna battle Sand? That's actually an actual Sand.
At the perfect time. You cut out.
That's actually a Sand. Basically, Sand with an S, with 3 S's, I think. Yeah, with 3 S's, that's actually a Sand. Dude, it looks so much better now. I can fly in the air. I just fly in the air. If I just fly in the air, he won't get me. Genius, I'm genius. Bro, I'm stuck! I can't even kill him now!
I wanna be like Sir Pello when I grow up. Here's my impression of him.
Okay, that was weird.
Sundays. Bro, the second I get the black squid, that'd be really cool. If any of you are unaware, I'm currently playing World Zero.
Okay.
Hey, why are you sniffing the window? Does it like smell of glass?
Bro, stop spamming, bro. Stop spamming.
That's basically the purpose of that game.
Stop spamming, bro. I'm lagging. God, I'm freaking lagging. Dude, now I can't even get him. Woo. See.
I just ditched that guy.
Take 2. Take 2. I'm taking take 2. Great, now he ties me up on the ceiling. It's like kindness soul.
Oh my god, Elemental is actually unusually overpowered. Elemental is a lot better than I thought it was.
How am I supposed to kill him?
Why is Elemental so good?
I don't know.
One shot my friend.
Bro, I'm gonna need more items. I'm gonna die. God help. Okay. I'm never gonna beat him. Rage termination. What the heck? Okay, so Chaos World. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, oh, good.
I got the incredibly rare one.
Okay, now we're battling a noob.
I got the black squid.
Okay,
That is so rare.
Bruh.